Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to log in or sign in to your Shippo account using the Shippo website. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser and in the URL box type in goshippo.com. You will then end up in the official website for Shippo. Go to the upper right corner and click on the sign in link. In the sign in area, you will need to type in your email and password. Type in your email address that is associated with your GoShippo account and then type in your correct password in the password tab. If you don't have your password or if you've forgotten your password, then click on the reset password at the bottom and follow through the instructions to reset to a new password. After filling in all of your credentials, click on login and you will be able to see this interface where you'll need to verify your email address. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider that you're currently using for the account and click open the Shippo email that you received where you will be able to find the two-factor authentication code. Copy the code and then get back to the GoShippo website and paste in the code in the text box and click verify. Once you verify your email, you will then be logged into your GoShippo account. So that's how you can easily sign in or log in to Shippo. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.